Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can dress up as an avocado. Don't know how to pronounce that since I like avocado meme. So I'm just going to start right now. I'm just going to make the inside this like color. Just going to do that. Then I'll save that color actually. Oh, too late. Let me go back. I need to save the color. So save that color. Don't forget like me. And then I'm going to use this. And then I'm going to use the third toggle here. Color it the same. Use the cupcake outfit. And then we're going to color the first one the same green. And then actually we're going to color the rest the same. Like so. And then for the skirt, we are going to use this one from the codes section. No bow. Don't forget about that. We're going to color the first one this like yellow, and then the second one the same color. Wait. Sorry, the third one. And then this one, I'm going to just make it a little bit darker. Green. I am going to use this also for this. For like the outside part of the fruit. I'm just going to also use this for the pit. And then I'm going to color it this brown here. Then I'm going to use gloves to cover that. This is a non-VIP hack, so that's fun. Like so. I think I'm just going to add a light silk to it, a light sheen to it, if you will. And that is how you can dress up as an avocado. How do you say that word? Like, I forgot how to pronounce it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.